Okay, good morning. How are you today? Good afternoon. Good evening, good night if you're watching this at night. So, how are you today? So, before we start our lesson today, please don't forget to eat. Okay. So, our topic for today is cupcake. Cupcake. Okay, it's on page, let me check my textbook. On page 86 in your textbook. So Kamini is planning to make cupcakes for her visit to a home for the elderly. Elderly. Here is the recipe she used. So home for the elderly. Home for the elderly means rumah orang tua-tua. Okay? So she's planning to make cupcakes and here is the recipe that she used to make the cupcakes. So she's making butter cupcake. Have not eaten that before. So here are the ingredients. Ingredients means in, is that how you spell ingredients? No, sorry. Ingredients adalah bahan-bahan. Okay, bahan-bahan yang diperlukan. So ingredients means bahan-bahan. So the ingredients needed are here. Butter, castor sugar, plain flour, eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, and chocolate sprinkles. Okay, that's the ingredients. Itu adalah bahan-bahan. So these are the instruction on how to make the cupcake. Okay, you can read it in your textbook. So in the instruction, we are introduced to the equipment used to bake this cupcake. So in order to have or to have this cupcake, you need equipments and also ingredients, because if you only have the ingredients, you cannot bake the cupcake. And if you only have the equipment but do not have the ingredients, you cannot make that cupcake. So you read this verse and here complete the table using the information from the recipe. So the recipe is here. So the first one is being given to you, the equipment: oven, ketuhar in bahasa Melayu, bahasa Malaysia. So what else we have? Paper cups. So here you write paper cups, bowl, mangkok. And then bowl again, paper cups again, oven, wire rack. Okay. And the last one. What is the last one? Okay, so the last one is here, muffin tin. So the equipment used is oven, muffin tin, paper cups, bowl, and wire rack. So that is the equipment. So the ingredient is here. We have butter, and then we have castor sugar, plain flour, medium eggs, just eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, and chocolate sprinkles. So that's it. The equipment and the oven. Okay, you copy this into your comprehension exercise book. So what else? Okay, surf the internet to find healthy cupcake recipe. Healthy means like less sugar, less oily. Okay, so you have to go to the internet and find me a healthy cupcake recipe to answer this question. Okay, actually I did go, it went to the internet and I found this. Okay. This is from Yummy Toddler Food. Yummy Toddler Food blog. So they have this recipe for healthy vanilla cupcakes. How does it look like? Ooh, so delicious. So the recipe is here. Wow, the ingredients is not that many. I bet you can make this at home later. They have this is the ingredients. Okay, you can copy this into your textbook. The recipe is for vanilla cupcake. Okay, healthy vanilla cupcake, and these are the ingredients, bahan-bahannya. Okay, copy this. Okay, as the ingredients, and the instruction is here. They even give you the instructions. So you just copy the ingredients and the instructions for number 1. You can search Google Yummy Toddler Food for healthy vanilla cupcake, or you just pause this, stop this, and copy. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, stop this, copy. Okay, and then the ingredients. And no, the instruction. Okay, pause this and copy. Done. Okay, that's for number 1. Okay, what's number 2? Okay, do you think the residents at the home for the elderly will be happy when they receive the cupcakes? Why? So the answer like this, huh? You have 2 question marks there. This one and this one. So your answer have 2 parts. Yes or no? Yes. Of course, yes. They are receiving cupcakes. Yes. The residents will be happy. The residents will be happy because, okay, this is for the first question mark. Yes, this is for the second. Because, why they are happy? Give your reason. But if you think no, they are not going to be happy, you say no, no, comma, the residents will not be happy because. Why? Just imagine, if you are receiving cupcakes, are you going to be happy? Yes, of course, because it's been a long time before you have tasted cupcakes. Okay, at the elderly home, it's not every day they're having cakes or cupcakes. It's like one in a lifetime. It's not one in a lifetime. Maybe once in a month treat. So of course they're going to be happy because it is not always they are having cupcakes. Or you can say no because elderly folks maybe don't like sugary, sweet cupcakes. Okay, because of health reasons. So no, they are not happy because of health reasons. It's too sweet. Okay, it's just an example. You can give yours. So for your exercise today, copy this table into your exercise book, your comprehension exercise book, and answer question number 1 and 2. Number 1, you can copy the one I've shown you, the healthy vanilla cupcakes recipe and how to the instruction on how to do it. And number 2, answer like I've shown you here, how to answer the question. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Have a nice day.